Hi, to enable accidental touches protection on your Honor Magic 7 Lite. As a first step, open Settings on the phone and now scroll down to find Biometrics and Password tab. So make sure that you got lock screen protection, for example, pattern or PIN code, and also make sure that you enabled face recognition. And now go in its settings, and here in the Unlock Device tab, choose Slide to unlock. Make sure Direct Unlock is disabled. You need to pick the Slide to unlock. Now let's go back in main settings, and here we need to scroll down and choose Accessibility Features. After that, you will find this feature Mistouch Prevention. So once enabled, it prevents accidental operations on your phone when it's in your pocket or bag. So to turn on, just tap on that switcher and it will light up blue like in my case. And also make sure you put the phone in your pocket with the screen facing down and in darkened area for the protection to work correctly. And if the problem still exists, you can temporarily disable face recognition. So go back in the same setting and here choose to delete facial data. And also for more stable operation, it is recommended to update the system to the latest version. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.